to my entry to the first challenge of the Kiro birthday challenges. This is my test coverage gap detector. There are two hook files. One that triggers on file save to detect test coverage gaps, and the other reminds the agent to check coverage before writing code. So let's see this in action. So here, I'm going to add a quick function, and when I save it, you see this pop up, and it just ran that hook. We get test gap coverage, telling us language, the source file, the test file, that we are 43% covered in tests, and it shows us each function that there's an issue with. In this case, they're all showing there's no references found in the test file, so basically they don't exist in the test file, and then it's showing that we have covered functions, and then best course of action of what we should do to fix this issue. Next, we are going to take a look at using the agent to do this. So, see, it's calling the other hook. It's reading the other test file. It added that new function. It's running the test gap detector. And again, it's showing us exactly the same thing. So in the end, we have two hooks working together. One automates detection on every save, the other injects coverage awareness into the agent's workflow before it writes code. No untested functions slip through. Thank you.